So top 25 digital rising star goes to Roshan Rajendra Shanbhag. He's a group head with Digital Performance India. So he's unable to join us today. So we have a quick video bite from him.
Hello everyone. I am truly honored to have been recognized as top 25 digital rising star by DIGITALCONFEX. This award is not just a personal achievement, but a testament to the collective efforts of an amazing team and the support of our valued clients. It's a recognition of innovation, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in the dynamic world of digital marketing. I want to express my gratitude to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. Let's continue to push boundaries and achieve greater heights together. Thank you once again, DIGITALCONFEX, for this incredible honor. Thank you.